Grabe, ang laki niya at ang haba. This is SB750 soundbar from Sendbrand. Let's open it up, guys. A big shout out to Ninang Kim from Kim Store for sending this out. So, buksan na natin, guys. So, ito yung mga nasa loob ng box. Siyempre, may manual tayo dito. Maliit na remote control. Male-to-male 3.5mm line-in cable. And audio cable for aux. So, pwede siya sa mga lumang TV or kung may sound system kayo and gusto nyong partneran nitong SB750, pwede. And syempre guys, yung ating AC adapter for power. Plus screws for mounting. Here is the SB750 soundbar. Look at that. On the side guys, kung makita nyo, nandiyan na yung mga buttons natin. Volume buttons, power for the source, and Bluetooth. Plus, nandito na rin yung kanyang line-in. Sa likod naman guys, meron tayong mount dito. And para sa power source or AC, nandiyan na rin. And also yung ating aux port. Yung back panel niya guys, it's somewhat glossy. Very premium talaga siya, tignan. So guys, testing na natin itong SB750. Kamusta ba ang kanyang audio output? So we are gonna try it via Bluetooth. So on lang natin siya. Again, dito yung buttons niya sa right side. Just click the power on and makikita nyo LED dito from red to blue. Then in our phone, makikita natin dito yung Sendbrand SB750. Just connect to it. So ito guys, testing na natin siya. Try natin siyang taasan. Okay. Wow. And ganito naman tunog niya guys if you are gonna watch a film or any video.
It only costs less than half of the price ng latest na flagship gaming tablet ni Red Magic, which is the Red Magic Astra.
Wow.
And it only costs a fraction of the famous iPad Pro M4 from Apple. This is Lenovo.
So guys, ang masasabi ko lang dito sa Sendbrand SB750 is super good siya, lalo if you're gonna watch film, movies, or any video. And when it comes to music listening naman, on the average side lang talaga siya. Medyo kulang siya sa bass or sa low tones, but when it comes to high tones and also mid tones, doon yung strength niya. And dahil built-in na rin yung subwoofer nito, although naka 2.1 speaker system siya, medyo bitin lang talaga when it comes sa punchy sound. But yeah, given na sobrang budget nito, yung presyo niya, and for its size, 2.1 setup na yung speaker niya, plus very premium yung kanyang build, okay na din guys. So if you want this, I will just link it down below. So be like and follow for more. Let's go!